Time to unbox this massively awesome wig for my Carrot cosplay. Let's check it out. Yeah. How do I open bag? How do I open? Okay, there we go. Ooh, so far so good. Oh, netted bag. Oh, and it comes with its own little plastic bag. That's helpful as crap. Will I be able to get it back in there? Probably not. There's a little shaper thing. So far, I am super impressed with the quality. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, look at that. I think this is quite a nice wig. Let's just put it on for fun. That's why I put on a wig cap. Go figure. Okay. So far, so good. I will have to hide my eyes like a pearl. Okay. Yep. Anyway. Okay. I like where this is going. I'll be able to figure out, ooh, these bangs though, and that, and I'm gonna have a haircut, so that little bit will be gone. But I like how this has turned out so far. I'll just have to mess with the bangs and stuff a bit. Ooh, ooh. I have to be careful to shape it just like my Nami wig, because sometimes the little under part shows, but it doesn't bother me that bad. It's a really nice wig though. I'm really happy with it. I feel like I have cloud hair. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on because I'm gonna do a time-lapsed makeup video. It's been a minute since I've done that. Y'all enjoy it. Got Kitchen Nightmares on in the background because duh. Anyway, here we go. Now that's what I call coverage. I love doing makeup. It's so fun. I must make noises like a child or I won't exist anymore. I know real makeup artists are like, oh my god, girl, cringe. I don't care. I am my own being. I do what I do. I do what I do. Now I'm goth white, baby. This makeup is fabulous. 10 out of 10. Would totally buy again. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Okay, Gonna try and do some eye stuff. It's all about the base. I do want to do a little eyeshadow because whenever I do cosplay, I really like to do really fancy eye makeup because, you know, anime all about them big old eyes, and if I can make those eyes kapow, then I have done my job. I don't care about looking accurate, I just like to do my own version of stuff. Getting this base all blended in. I know professional makeup artists are like, oh my god, what is she doing? I'm just doing my thing. To the best of my ability, with the best of my supplies, baby. Kapow. I think I'll leave that part white. Alright, I'm going to put down white base just on the lid, and I'm going to do a silver crease and maybe a little bit of a glowing brow bone and fill in the eyebrows and then fill in my cute little animal part, little face, my little snoots, my bunny nose and my snoots. Okay, enough being weird. No, we ain't never done being weird, baby. Flip it over. I need that magnified mirror, though. Don't you hate it when fluffies get on your eye makeup brushes? It happens to me. I live in a very fluffy house. Fluffy house full of fluffy cats. It's mostly my fluffy cats. They can't help it. Alright. Let's get a really strong silver going. The electric palette! Okay, it's a good start. Good old standby. Oh, I used to have little cute rhinestones on this, and then they fell off. Because I should have used a glue gun. My lazy butt. Where are my... Oh, there we go. I always use the Eco Tools. I love them. I think I've been using Eco Tools brushes for like 10 years or more. Affordable, high quality, good for the environment, just quality vegan magic. Magic. All right, now or never.
This is Jack. Dennis. And this is Rocky. Right. I feel like I've just gone.
Ah!
Let me tell you.
Itchy nose. I like where this is going. I really like this white mascara. Gives it a little something extra.
Yes, it is. It's hot in parts, like in the middle, but the side there's stone cold.
Want me to take it?
Is the oven not working?
No, the oven's working fine.
Can't, sir.
Okay, I like where this is
I
going.
understand.
It's gonna look really cool when I get my red contacts. We're just gonna try on the wig for
No
fun
wrong there.
with this makeup.
Martine lost his mojo around here many years ago. If you got someone who doesn't care about the food they're putting out, what do you have?
Martine, kind of hot in the middle, it's cold on the sides. He doesn't like it.
Yeah. Always making noise like no.
Thank you. Sure. How long's that been under the grill? 'Cause it looks like
All right.
it's piping hot. Is he
I like where this is.
I don't know.
I keep going up.
Normally it's not piping hot like that.
That's what I do.
It tells you that-
Woo! Anyway.
Just check with the chef.